felt more American on certain days than others? Have you ever put something on that makes you look like this guy? Or you feel so American you go to the Harley-Davidson dealership, get a bike, knowing for damn sure you never even drove a bike, crash it, and then still make it look cool? Then this product is for you. So stand by and watch this awesome review. My bearded brothers, my brethrens of the beard, it is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live with another beard product review. Today we're going to be reviewing an awesome product. BALM! Live Bearded Beard Butter. Listen guys, if you guys have never heard of this company and you're in the bearded game, slap yourself. I'm joking guys. Hey listen, this company is awesome. It's actually run by two individuals. They're the CEOs of the company. They go by the name Spencer and Anthony. What the hell? What am I getting double teamed here? Well, this is them. They decide to have, make a cameo for themselves without my permission. You know, getting camera. Listen, guys, there's only one room for a beard here, and it's me. Okay? Yeah, yours is luscious. So what? Yours too. These are the two guys, awesome individuals. But I'm serious, guys. These guys are awesome. They make a product. They're a very well-known product. Beard butter. Now let me tell you something about beard butter. I wasn't always a believer of beard butter. Back in the day, or a few years back, it was known to be like a lotiony, soft, diarrhea type substance. It turned me off big time, so I just did straight balm and oil. But I saw a video of these guys on YouTube, and that's when it changed my mind. Because as I was telling you before, when it comes to beard butter, I was used to that soft diarrhea type substance. It almost looked like a Queen Helen's cocoa butter. You slap it on your face, leave your house, you go in your car, get out, your beard is dried in the desert lizard's ass. Not with this company. No way. And let me tell you how. When I saw this video of them on YouTube and Instagram as well, I've noticed that their consistency of their butter isn't a syrupy, Miracle Whippy type substance. You're not gonna open a jar and go like this and it plop down on your face or your beard and you end up looking like this guy. As you can see, it has the consistency almost like a soft balm. And that's because it's a shea butter based formula. It has some awesome product inside. Allow me to read. It has shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, and essential oils for fragrance. And I tell you right now, this is actually my favorite scent out of all of their collections. This smells super good, man. It's almost like a campfire sweet smell, but not an overwhelming sweet smell. And it actually lasts a long time in your beard. And shockingly, this actually has some type of control. Some reason, even though it doesn't have any wax in it, because that's what the difference from a beard balm and a beard wax, is that a balm has wax and a beard butter has oils and butters, no waxes. Surprisingly, this actually has controls of my curly ass hairs. And what's awesome about this company, they don't only sell beard butter, they sell beard butter, beard oil, beard wash. It's actually called Triple Threat, which is awesome. It's for your head hair, it's for your beard hair, and it's for your butt hairs. Now, how can you not love that? Joking, guys, but not really. One thing about this product, this is actually my top 3 favorite part to use in my beard that actually makes it look my best. If I want something to make my beard super soft and it has that perfect shine, but not greasy to make you look like this schmuck, BAM! I'm telling you, this product is for you. If you're worried about control or anything like that, I can tell you this has more of like a light to medium hold to it, but trust me, it's gonna make you feel like Fabio riding a horse. I truly feel that Live Bearded made beard butter great again! That's how passionate I feel about these guys, man. They're awesome. I know I'm a little over the top, but I'll never review a product that I wouldn't put in my own beard. My reviews are real and honest, and I put them through tests. You know, before I review any product, I actually use it for 7 to 14 days to see how my skin reacts, see how my beard reacts, how it controls, how it makes me feel, how it makes it look. Pretty like me? That's how I leave the house. But anyway, this is an awesome company. I highly suggest that you guys should check them out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think and how you feel about this company. Have you ever used this company? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your pros and cons. I doubt there's any cons. First off, you gotta hit that subscribe button, okay? Then you gotta hit that bell notification, okay? Annoying little bell up there. And give us a thumbs up. I mean, love you guys.